Hey, what's up guys? So OSCAL Blackview's sub-brand has announced its first rugged phone of 2023, the OSCAL S80. For now, I do not know when the device would be officially released, but OSCAL has revealed the top features and specs of this rugged phone. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, these are the top features and specs of the OSCAL S80. The OSCAL S80, just like many other rugged phones, is designed to withstand rough and tough conditions. It has a metal frame. On the right side there's a power button and volume keys. Embedded on the power button is a fingerprint sensor. On the other side is a SIM slot and a customizable key. The device is available in 3 colors, including navy green, mecha orange, and conquest black. The phone has a thickness of 18.9 millimeters and it weighs 460 grams. It is quite heavy, and that is no surprise because rugged phones are usually very thick and very heavy. One of the standard features of the OSCAL S80 is its 6.58-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, which provides clear and vibrant visuals. The phone is powered by the Helio G85 processor, which delivers fast and efficient performance. OSCAL should have gone for the Helio G99 or at least the Helio G88, because there are many rugged phones that have been released that are very affordable and have been released with the Helio G99 chip. An example is the Ulefone Armor 17 Pro. It is powered by the Helio G99, a much more efficient chip than the Helio G85. Paired with the Helio G85 is 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. The RAM could be expanded virtually. An additional 4GB of RAM could be added to the 6GB, giving you a total RAM of 10GB. Very impressive. And of course, the internal storage of the OSCAL S80 could be expanded up to 1TB with a memory card. The device has triple rear cameras consisting of a 12-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2MP depth camera. This allows you to capture a wide range of photos and videos with different angles and perspectives. The phone is backed up by a massive 13,000 mAh battery, and it also supports 33 watts fast charging. In terms of connectivity, the OSCAL S80 comes equipped with NFC support, which allows you to make payments and share data with older NFC-enabled devices. The phone also has an IP68 and IP69K rating for water and dust resistance, as well as MIL STD 810H certification for durability. It also has GPS, there's glove mode, and like I mentioned earlier, a customizable key for use in extreme environments. To keep the phone running smoothly, it has a graphite cooling system. It runs on the DocOS 3.0 based Android 12 OS. Overall, the OSCAL S80 is a rugged phone that offers a range of impressive specifications and features, making it a great choice for those who need a reliable and durable device. Like I mentioned earlier, I do not know when the device will be released, and currently I do not know its price. But of course, I'll keep you guys updated. What are your thoughts about the OSCAL S80? Make sure to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.